guys are all done with coffee and tea with friends, so I'm gonna go and pick up my son from school now. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you.
I'll see you. Thank you so much. Enjoy yourself.
Thank you, Haja. Thank you so much. Sidra, I'm off. Yeah. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday once again.
Thank you. I'll see you again. Okay, Sana. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye. I've almost reached my son's school now, so a little bit of chit-chatting with the mothers of the students that my son usually plays with at school or is good friends with. So this is also the enjoyable part of my day where I just say hello to everybody, and a lot of them are good friends also now. So almost about to get to school. Okay, I've just picked up Uzair from school and we're on our way home to Nanav's house, because Uzair wants to play with his cousin who's here from London, baby Zain. He's 2 months old and Uzair's having a good time with him, hai na? You enjoy playing with him? You hold him? What do? You don't talk to him? You talk to him? Does he say anything in return? Just a little bit, huh? He makes baby noises. So a bit chit-chat about school also. So how's the play preparation going? Is it going good? So what's the play about?
Around the world.
Around the world in 80 days. I like that. Okay. And I saw a macaw. So all the kids get to see it when you guys go home? It's very big.
I want one.
You want one? Who's going to take care of it? It's a lot of work. So once you're a bit older, we'll think about getting you some. So just on our way home now to Nanu's house, and then from there to my salon because my clients have reached. So dropping Uzair and then off to work. This is my mother. It's my mother. That's my father that we just met on the door. That's Zain, my new nephew and my only nephew. He's here from London to visit us all, hai na? And Uzair is really enjoying playing with him. Hello, baby. Hi, baby. How are you doing? Are you wondering what is Khala wearing on her eyes? I'm going to go to work. I'm going to go to work and then I will see you in the evening. Okay? Chalo, Uzair, you have fun with Zain. I'll see you in the evening. Bye-bye. Okay, Khudafiz. Khudafiz. Okay, I've just dropped my son off at my mom's house, and every time I do that and I ask them to do something, you realize so much how important your family is when you're working like this. So my parents, and including my in-laws and my husband, they're very, very supportive, and that is, I think that's that's the driving force, that you have your family support with you, that you want to do more in life, and you think your goals are achievable because you have them backing you up. So mashallah, my parents and my siblings, my in-laws and my husband have always been there whenever I've needed help or any kind of support. Just the fact that someone is there to look after something when you're not around is huge. So I think all us working women, when we start off something and your parents and your husband and everyone else is with you, so it makes you feel much more target oriented, and you enjoy as you go along more because you have them backing you up. So alhamdulillah, I think the more I can't praise them enough, all of them, for doing what all they do for me. There's no price to pay for that. So alhamdulillah, I thank God that I have my family and my in-laws and my husband who've always been there for me, and who always make me feel that they're proud of every little achievement that I get. I'm still hoping that with time, of course, there's more to come, and but it's wonderful having them by my side. I've reached my salon, so it's time for work now. I'm just gonna go change, get into work mode so it's easy. It's kind of difficult with flowy clothes to do makeup, so I'm just gonna change and get into my work mode. Today there's more mehndi makeups because it's midweek. It's Thursday, so lots of mayos and mehendis because obviously the weekend is more the wedding days. So I have a lot of mehndi brides today. It's a very colorful look overall with their clothes, but the makeup is very light. So it's a very subtle look for them to look very natural and glowing on the mehndi, so they look very dolled up on the barat. So all these brides who are coming on the mehndi will be coming inshallah on the weekend for their wedding days. And I really enjoy the mehndi look. Lots of flowers, the braid, the very nice, light, natural looking makeup. So it turns out really well in the pictures also. And they always usually enjoy the look very much because it's just their own face. She's done with the hair, we're getting the mehndi done, and I'm just going to finish off with the makeup then.